Hello guys, I'm Mo Salah. I'm a YouTube channel growth and Google Ads certified. I'm helping businesses and YouTubers to grow their channels. I'm one of the few YouTube consultants that is dedicated YouTube creator myself. And I have been a YouTube creator since 2014. I create weekly video on my famous fitness YouTube channel, which is called No Steroids. Currently, I have more than 250k of followers from different parts of the world. My YouTube channel is almost having 100k subscribers and almost 10 million views. In this video, we are going to do a case study on exactly how one of my recent videos went viral. We are going to do a deep dive on exactly what happened, how it happened, and how it may happen to you too, even if you have a small YouTube channel. Now we are going to see the case study. As you can see, this is my YouTube channel. It's having 155 subscribers to date. This video is talking about bodybuilding and gaining muscle after 40, and as you can see, it's less than 4 minutes. And let's see the actual and the real analytics. It was published on April 6, 2019. The first day it got 1,342 views. This is the second day, the third day, the fourth day, the fifth, and as you can see, the video velocity started to boom. See, from 6,000 to 9,000, and after just 7 days, it's almost 12,000 views, 16,000, 24, 43, almost doubled, 69, 96 after 12 days, 115, 129, 140, 150, 160, 168, 174, 178, 181 after almost 3 weeks. First 22 days, 185 views. Then, as you can see, it started to go flat till it reached now almost 200k views. Let's say in only 21 days, only 3 weeks, more than 180k views, and watch time is almost 400k minutes. This video has brought to my channel more than 2,700 subscribers. The audience retention for the video is more than 50%, which is very crucial for videos to go viral. So let's check the reach viewers. This is the total impressions, 1.9 millions, and the impression click through it was almost 7%. Traffic sources, 85% of the videos were browse features, and browse features, YouTube define it as traffic from homepage, home screen, the subscription feed, and other browsing features. Some factors why the video went viral. The video is having almost 52% audience retention. The CTR on impressions was, as you check, 7%. Anything above 6% is good. If you have 8 or 10 or more, your video is going to be viral. The video appealed to non-subscribers of a new demographic to our channel. I've seen a lot of people have watched my video that are non-subscribers. With reference to their comments, it was very obvious that this is the first time for them to see my videos. This video was one of the controversial videos online, because it was talking about if you can build muscle after 40. Let's see how many comments for this video. Yes, here is the video. It has got 200k views and got 530 comments. This is what you get when you have a viral video. As you can see inside the YouTube studio, looking good. Your channel's views are up to 249 due to more interest in one of your videos. What's going on? Over the last week, the more viewers have been watching one of your videos from recommendations on their homepage, and this proves that YouTube have promoted my video. A video can gain views at any time depending on your audience's interest. Something about the topic, title, thumbnail of this video has become particularly attractive to viewers lately. When there is more interest in a video, it is recommended across YouTube more often. So this is what happens, you know, when you have a good video and starts to go viral. By the way, this is not the first video on my channel that went viral. I see this one is 743,000 views, and the second one 500,000 views, almost 500,000. 400,000 views, another one, this one, and the last one is 200k views, and this is These are the top 10 videos, okay, of my channel, and they account for about 4.2 million videos of my channel. So it's almost 42 or 40% of my total channel's view. If you have been on YouTube for a while, you'll notice that viral videos can come from anywhere. I'll show you now different methods to help you increase the chance of one of your videos to go viral. How to go viral on YouTube. So let's first define what is a viral video. Creating a video for your brand that becomes popular online with your audience. So how many views are required for a video to be called or considered a viral video? Well, it depends on the niche, because funny videos and trendy videos can have millions of views in a very short period of time. But on average, any video with more than 100k views in a short period of time is considered viral. So what are the different methods to help increase the chance of one of your videos to go viral? Yes, the first one, I think you already heard this before or watched a lot of videos that talk about the watch time. And watch time is very crucial, because the most important thing is the watch time. So when people click on your video, they actually have to watch a large portion of it. YouTube will love you for this, because this makes you stay on the platform for a longer period of time, where they can put ads on your videos, and that's how, of course, YouTube makes money. The second method here is the high click-through rate. As you checked on my video, it was almost 7%. You need to have the high click-through rate, which is the number of clicks on your thumbnails and title, divided by the total number of impressions. Anything above 6% is considered good. Now we have two parts. A good thumbnail, where people are scrolling through the videos. They are going to click on the video with the thumbnail that catches their attention. That's why you should have an eye-catching thumbnail. Sometimes people are using clickbait titles, but if your title don't match your content, people will go away and watch other videos. This will drop your audience retention, which is preferred to be more than 50%, and this, of course, will gonna hurt your audience retention, and YouTube is not going to promote your videos since you are using clickbaits with wrong content. What are the types of viral videos? The most viral videos are either trendy, extreme, unique, or have high valuable content. These are usually the most types of viral videos. Method number 4 is ranking on YouTube. Of course, you've heard about the YouTube SEO and video SEO. To have a ranking on YouTube, so it's like when people search for certain keywords, your video is ranked at the first page, and you should know that you have two chances for your videos to be shown to the audience, or to the target audience, whether on Google searches or YouTube searches. And that depends on the description, the title, the tags, and of course the shares. The fifth method is that you have to create a unique video. There was a research that was done from 2006 till 2017, and it analyzed the viral videos online. And as you can see, that 24% of the viral videos were having shocking or surprising type of videos, and 30% were impressive, 14% were having cute element, 17% was having plain weird. By far, the most common videos that went viral was humor, and accounts for about 50%. One of the things that you can make for unique videos that can relay feelings of sadness or strong emotion, or controversial videos, which triggers YouTube algorithm. The sixth method, as you can see, of course, we already have seen the PSY Gangnam Style video, and you'll notice that viral videos are usually short. You never see viral videos that are super long. As you can see, this video is almost 4 minutes long, and they usually have music or dancing people in the video. Finally, here is a list of the most popular YouTube videos based on total views as of April 2019, billion views. As you can see, the Despacito, Luis Fonsi was always about 6 billion views. Shape of You, Ed Sheeran for millions with Khalifa. Mash and Beer, Mark Ronson, here is again PSY Gangnam Style, 3 billion views. Justin Bieber, Sorry. Sugar, Katy Perry, Roar. Taylor Swift, Shake It Off.
Let's know what you think in the comments below. Build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel. Do that by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.